Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Tonight is unboxing night. We've got new Apple products in the studio. Now, I just unboxed the MacBook Neo. If you want to see that video, go ahead and click up here. But in this video you're watching, we're unboxing the iPhone 17e in pink. There it is. Look how pretty it is. Wow. I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry around a pink phone for a couple weeks. All right, so here it is, you guys. iPhone 17e in pink. 256 gigs of storage. And yeah, this is a phone that I've been looking forward to. I haven't had a budget iPhone in a very long time, so I'm excited to try this guy out and let you know how I like it. And of course, carrying around a pink phone for a few weeks is just gonna be a thrill for me because my iPhone 17 Pro Max is orange, so pink seems like a good alternative. So let's go ahead and grab our pull tabs here. World famous Apple pull tabs. You know them, you love them, and you probably have a drawer of these guys because you save every single one. Or is that just me? I'm kidding. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, the suspense. The suspense, here we go. Ah, that's very nice. That is very nice. I actually like that a lot. My wife is gonna be very jealous of this phone. That's a beautiful pink, you guys. Kind of like pastel-y. Hopefully the camera is getting that, but very pastel pink. Let's lift it out of the box. Beautiful phone. Yeah, so here it is. It feels really good in the hand. I love the sides of it. It's a nice subtle pink. I would describe this as blush, like with the MacBook Neo. Honestly, the two of those would go so well together. Apple knew what they were doing with the Neo and the 17e because they coordinate so well. But back is nice pink. I believe it's glass on the back if I'm not mistaken. Go, power button on the side, action button, volume rocker. You do not get camera control on the 17e, unfortunately. But I know not a lot of people use camera control anyway, so maybe that's not a huge detriment. Single camera, 48 megapixels though, so that is pretty cool. And all you get in the box, you guys, literally all you get in the box is a very small instruction manual. There it is. And your braided USB-C to USB-C cable. If you're expecting more, you're not gonna get it. That's not how we do things around here. All right, absolute silence for the peel. Oh yes, it's wonderful. There it is, you guys. Let's go ahead and do an initial boot here. Now, for the 17e, it does have a notch. It does not have dynamic island, and I know some of you guys are watching this video being like, oh, why would you pay for a brand new phone in 2026? And you know, it's not an all-screen design, it doesn't have a whole punch camera. That's not the point of this phone. If you think that way, this probably is not the phone for you. This is Apple's budget offering. Honestly, it does a lot for the money. Now the screen on this is 6.1 inches. It's a 60 hertz panel, so it's not gonna be as smooth as the Pro models and the 17, unfortunately, but again, cost savings. You've got a budget iPhone with a good OS. You know it works well. It's got a whole suite of accessories that work well with it. Honestly, you're paying for the ecosystem more than anything these days with Apple. And the fact of the matter is, you can get an iPhone 17e and you can get a MacBook Neo for the same cost as the iPhone 17 Pro Max that I'm filming on right here, this guy. Same price. Two big devices. Which one's better? You tell me. All right. Now getting back to our pink 17e. Now I'm gonna set this up off camera, you guys. I'm gonna do like a 48-hour impressions video. I'll film that sometime this weekend. It is very late Thursday night right now. I'm just trying to get this content out as quickly as possible, so a like would be appreciated. Over the rest of the hardware, I really love how this feels in the hand. 6.1 inches, it's a great size, you guys. You can really hit every single corner pretty easily with one hand. That's something I kind of don't have on my Pro Max, to be honest with you. I do miss having a smaller phone sometimes. Yeah, I'm really loving this design so far. Very nice, very pretty phone. All right, now really quick, I did want to try on all of the cases for the 17E. I bought one of every variety. If you want to see that video, I got that linked up here. Did a little unboxing. But first one is the Beats case in limestone, and this one is a hard plastic shell. So it's got a little bit of give, but for the most part, it's pretty rigid right here. So we are going to go ahead and put this on. Ooh, that is very tight, as it should be. Oh wow, that kind of just like, whoa. That's very tight, you guys. Jeez. Okay, it kind of like slams in there. Feels great in the hand though. Camera cutout looks really nice. You can see a little bit of the pink there. Now, on the bottom, you guys, you got enough room for your microphones, your ports, your speakers. Very nice. Buttons are nice and clicky. I don't know if you can hear that. Sounds good though. Everything feels great. It's an awesome case. I really like it, to be honest with you. I haven't gone with a hard plastic case in a while, but I think it looks pretty good with the pink. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about this case with the iPhone 17e? I think it's pretty nice. Next case I wanted to do, this is Apple's clear case. Now I really like this one, just a simple clear case. I think it looks really good though. I know it'll make the pink pop. Let's go ahead and slide this guy in. Pretty similar to the other one. And this is also very tight. Feels pretty good though. All right. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. Shows off the pink really well. The white of the MagSafe looks great. Gotta love it. And we'll do a MagSafe test here in a little bit, you guys, because one thing I neglected to mention until now, the 17E has MagSafe this year. That is one of the defining features. And I actually did a little short about everything that's new. I'll link that up above here. So if you're wondering if the 17E is for you, watch that short really quick. I kind of answer that question for you guys. Looking good. I've got an accessory right here. Perfect. What do you know? Sticks really well, as MagSafe does. Yeah, this is looking really good with the pink. Nice clicky buttons. Camera cutout.
Okay, button, okay, okay, button.
You guys, it's like almost 10 o'clock. I am like halfway delirious at this point.
Double tap to power off.
Okay, I turned on accessibility mode. I don't know how I did that. Anyways, it's asleep now, thank God. Okay, but really nice case. Got a little bit of a lip around the camera, but the camera sits almost completely flush with the phone, so you kind of don't have to worry about banging a whole like camera array on the back like you do with the Pros. So having one camera, you get a bit of simplicity, and this case feels great in the hand. Now I had somebody ask the other day if it feels grippy with the phone in hand. I can say, honestly, just doing this, if this doesn't tell you everything you need to know right here, I'm holding it practically vertically and it's gripping to 4 of my fingers. So I would say it's pretty grippy. So really liking the clear case. Great option for your 17E. Last one up, you guys. This is Apple's silicone case in soft pink, pink on pink. You know it's gonna look good. I don't even have to tell you that. Let's go ahead and put this one in. And to be honest, this is gonna be the easiest one to put on because it's got the most flexibility. And I accidentally turned it on again. There we go. And if you've ever used one of Apple's silicone cases, you know they feel great in the hand. They do attract a ton of lint, which as somebody who almost exclusively wears black jeans is kind of a problem. So if you're OCD about your phone cases like I am, maybe try this one or this one. But this is gonna be a great option if you want the all pink look. This looks really good, I can't lie. Now, important thing to note, I'll hold it up to the camera here, hopefully you guys can see it. This is the only iPhone 17e case that has the holes for the crossbody strap. So if you want to buy everyone's favorite iPhone accessory that lets you wear your phone like it's a bag, you need to get this case for it. No other case will work. The clear case doesn't have it, the Beats case doesn't have it. I think that's by design. So you gotta get Apple's first party silicone case. Looking really good. Love the pink on pink combo, I'll be honest with you. You can see a lot of people going for this. And one last little bonus clip for you guys. I did want to get a size comparison between the 17 Pro Max and the 17E, because I know somebody would ask about it. So there they are from the top. So obviously the Pro Max is quite a bit bigger than 17E. So comparing the sides here, you guys, kind of similar between the two of them. I'd say the 17E is a little bit thinner just because it doesn't have rounded edges on the back like the Pro Max does. It's pretty much flat. So if you love the design of the 5S, oh my God, go for the 17E because it is as close to a 5S as you can get in 2026. Cameras, obviously, humongous difference. I don't need to tell you that. There are the screens compared for you. The bezels are much smaller on the Pro Max. I don't need to tell you that, but just look at the difference between the two of these. Obviously, you've got the dynamic island over here. You've got the notch on this side, but they do both have MagSafe. Quick little MagSafe test that I always like to do. There we go. Nice and strong as you would expect from Apple. So perfect. And guys, that is it for my iPhone 17e unboxing. Now, I want to turn it over to you guys. What do you want to see me do with this phone? What questions do you guys have for me? Let me know, leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, all I ask is that you give it a like. I purchased these products with my own money. I don't have any relationship with any manufacturers of any kind. So a like really goes a long way. But anyways, guys, iPhone 17e in the studio. And before I go, I want to show you one thing I'm really excited about. I showed this to you already, I know. But you guys, like, it's the Cosmo and Wanda setup. Like, I'm so excited to rock this combo, you have no idea. Anyways, it's 10 o'clock now. I'm delirious, I am tired. I hope you guys have a great night. More videos with both of these devices on the way. I'll catch you in one of those at a later date. Have a good night, bye.